Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have Photoshop open and your text layer ready. Start by placing the image into the document. Use File, Place Embedded or Place Link to import the picture, then press Enter. You want the image layer directly above the text layer. Once done, use Free Transform, Ctrl or CMD+T to scale and position roughly. Make sure the image covers the entire text area you plan to fill, because precise alignment happens after you create the clipping mask. Once the image sits above the text layer, right-click and pick Create Clipping Mask so the photo appears only within the text shapes. You'll see how the image conforms. Now move and scale it with the Move tool or Ctrl/CMD+T and use Warp for complex fits. If parts of the image need hiding, add a layer mask to the image layer and paint with black to hide, white to reveal. This preserves pixels and lets you refine the visual balance without destructive edits. To finish, tweak color and contrast by adding adjustment layers clipped to the image, levels, curves, or hue/saturation, to make the photo read clearly inside the letters. Convert the image to a smart object before filters if you plan effects, and keep an editable duplicate in a hidden group for safety. If the text vanishes or shows wrong, make sure the image is directly above the text, the clipping mask is active, and the text layer is not rasterized or hidden. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.